Hello dear friends, I hope you are doing well. In this video I am showing you how can you get remote control a computer in different places. You can control a computer in everywhere. For this process just you need to download this application, AnyDesk. For downloading this application, open the browser and just type AnyDesk download. Open the site and click in here. Wait until the downloading complete. After downloaded complete, install in your computer. You should install this application in both computers and open the application. You can see the computer IP address. Just click to invite, then type the IP another computer. Okay my friends, I hope this video can help you. If you want like this video, please subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.